particularly fond of is squids. Having a very allergic reaction to crabs, shrimp or lobster, the entire crustacean family per se, squid has been that reprieve that I've basked in, enjoyed it. I enjoy it in being stuffed, I enjoy it in being pan-fried, grilled, deep-fried sometimes, and also occasionally in a great salad. In today's cooking, we are getting to creating a perfect Thai-scented squid salad, simple flavors coming together and satiating my inert hunger. Let's get to cooking it. This salad requires you to grill the squids, and grilling squids happen in 2 minutes flat. All you need to ensure that your pan is nice and hot. So to start off, I'm taking about 10 ml of olive oil. You can use any oil that suits you. To that, I'm using 2 fresh red chilies which I finely chopped. You can go right ahead and use a green chili, whichever suits you fine. You can avoid this step if you do not want that spice tinge right in the end. Into that goes a stalk of lemongrass, finely shredded. And we're just going to let it emulsify and scent and flavor the entire oil. With this emulsifying and being so highly scented, it's got the sharp tones of chili and it's got the subtle flavors that lemongrass bring. In goes a kg of squids that I've cut, and I'm using the tentacles as well because they just add to the overall appeal of the salad. So in they go, and you just allow them to stir fry on the highest possible flame. Stir frying this on the highest possible flame just allows it to cook, and you allow this to cook for just over 2 minutes till they curl yet are juicy, succulent, absorbing the flavor of the lemongrass as well as the beautiful red chilies. With this grilling, I'm just going to add the garlic in, so about 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped. The purpose out here is to ensure that the garlic is not roasted, but it has the subtle flavors coming together and just about cooking. With the squids getting halfway through, now is the time to create the perfect dressing because you want the squids hot and all to go into the dressing. So I'm taking about 20 to 30 ml of fish sauce, and this is what's going to overall flavor the entire dressing. Some light soy sauce, so about 50 ml of that as well. Just allow everything to whisk together. Sharp flavors coming alive with the fish sauce, the light soy sauce, and golden liquor that comes in from smoked sesame oil. So we're just going to add 30-40 ml of this. Allow it to emulsify with your dressing. I love the sense that this dressing is coming about and bringing. It's got all the flavors marrying into each other. The smoked sesame and the fish sauce is just a match made in heaven overall. In goes a sprinkling of some sea salt, since we've not seasoned the squids there, and some freshly milled black pepper. Just give all this a gentle blend or two, and it's time to drop in the squids. With the squids and a little bit of the cooking liquor goes right into the bowl, and we're just going to let everything blend, emulsify, absorb flavors of each other, and sit for about 10 minutes till it comes to room temperature. With this coming to room temperature, in goes a dash of lime. You can use vinegar out here, but lime just adds to the overall freshness of this gorgeous salad. So I'm actually playing out here by lightly tossing the squids just to enjoy the sense that the smoked sesame is bringing to the entire kitchen. To give you that umami flavor, in goes about a teaspoon of sugar just to balance things out and give it that sweet, sour, spicy of flavors coming together. Into this goes about 15 beautiful small cherry tomatoes. I've just cut them into half and they add the color. about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped flat leaf parsley, about 4 tablespoons of cilantro, and this is a very herby kind of a salad where you allow everything to come together, absorbing the flavors, absorbing the textures, and marrying into each other. This salad takes on a whole new level when it gets an overload of some fiber or greens. So here I'm using spring onions, about 6 of them in a bunch, cut them into large batons, and they go right in, and all we need to do is give it a gentle tossing. Now you just toss away so that everything comes together. The little baby squids showing themselves in this entire stalks of spring onion and tomatoes, and the flavor is so sharp, scented, and pronounced. This salad gets done in about 15 to 20 minutes flat and ready to be enjoyed. Liquor and salad into a nice deep bowl because it's just going to elevate the entire thing, and we're going to allow this to chill. The cooler the salad, the more pronounced and sharper all the flavors coming together. While I do a balancing act to get everything from my bowl because I do not want to miss out on any of the flavors here, this gets into the fridge to chill. With the salad chilling beautifully, and it's really chilled. It's got 2 hours of sitting in with that liquid gold that we created. I hope you enjoyed creating this decadent bowl with me. Flavors of squid scented with the fish sauce, the light soy sauce, the smoked sesame oil, and the hints that the lemongrass and red chili bring. Don't forget to share loads of love after trying this by hitting on the like button. And as I always say, don't forget to subscribe.